All right, guys, so I wanted to tell you the story about Valerie. Valerie was probably like most of you. Tried a dozen different diets over the years. She tried keto and paleo and Weight Watcher, even tried things like HCG and the cookie diet. Valerie was desperate. She thought some of these quick fixes and trends would help her. And they might have helped a little bit. She might have lost a few pounds here and there. Nothing was long term. She got frustrated, the weight would come right back. She always felt like she was missing out. She felt deprived, restricted, and Valerie found the approach. Now, she was skeptical at first. Most of you are. She had already spent a ton of money on these things that didn't work. She had basically given up. And Valerie decided she was going to give it one last shot, one last go, one last attempt at losing weight and getting healthy. She'd watched a few of my TikToks. We even had some conversations back and forth. And finally, after a couple of weeks, she decided to come on board. And I am personally so glad that she did. Now, in the beginning of the approach, she was reaching out quite a bit. She was very active in the community. She was sharing some wins, 3 pounds lost, 4 pounds lost. And then a few months by and I didn't hear from her as much. I was curious, but I just thought, life gets in the way sometimes. She was busy. Then just the other day, Valerie posted in our community, in the Approach exclusive weight loss community, members only. And Valerie reported that she was down 103 pounds. 103 pounds. She lost a person. I couldn't be more proud of Valerie's success and honestly, everybody's success in the program. Valerie was ready to make a change and wanted it to be a lifestyle. And that's what we're all about here. Valerie, I am very, very, very proud of you. I know you're never going back to the old ways. I'm excited not just to see your continued weight loss success, but all your success in life. Thank you for sharing.